Hello, Team Thunder families. Welcome to our orientation. I am Miss Hubacher, and I am the reading teacher on Team Thunder. I am really looking forward to meeting each and every one of you this year, whether that is digitally or in person during our hybrid model that we're kicking off the school year with. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. Looking at the pictures here on the screen in the top left here, we have my family, and we take a Thanksgiving trip every year to the Outer Banks of North Carolina because the majority of my family lives in North Carolina. So my parents are here, my brother and sister-in-law, and then my adorable niece and nephew, Audrey and Chase. And I love getting to spend time with them over the holidays. Up here in the right corner, this is my boyfriend Bradley, and we were outside of the Sprint Center in downtown Kansas City, headed to see the Coldplay concert a few years ago. One of our favorite things to do together is to see live music. Down here in the bottom left corner, this was taken in Zion National Park a few years ago on a camping trip celebrating a birthday for one of my very good friends. And the outdoors, nature, camping is one of my favorite pastimes, especially when I get to spend that time with some of my favorite people. And then here in the bottom right corner, I have a picture of my lifelong besties. We actually met in kindergarten and we went all the way through high school together and even decided to attend the same college, Missouri State University, and joined the same sorority. So, talk about lifelong friends. This is Jeannie. This is Jeannie and my bestie since kindergarten. I can't wait to get to know more about you, learn your names, learn your faces, and get to know you